Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Viewers. And here you will see mostly an unboxing of online products. You'll learn different kinds of geeks, tricks, and tips in line with electronics, gaming, and other cool related ideas. Today we're gonna checking this item, Huawei Nova 3i cell phone. The item has a free Bluetooth speaker and a piece of SIM. Let's check the item. There. Actually, na-open na ito guys. I'm just showing you what's the items inside. So this is the back side of the phone and the front. As you can see, it's so very elegant and cool. Ganda siya. And then ito yung finger scanner and two cameras. Pwede rin siya ng nano SIM and micro SIM. Dito yung card tray niya. And then as you can see, ito siya, may 4 AI cameras, intelligent, and just check nyo na lang dito. Ito, check nyo yun. Yan. Ano yung mga specs niya, okay? And then yan guys, balik. Ito na siya, Kirin 710 with AI capability. So let's try to start it na. Before anything else pala, yan, dyan ka muna. And then syempre nag-unbox tayo. Ito yung mga items na sa loob. Syempre yung charger there, yung cable niya. Ito siya, na may plastic to siya, kaso na test na ito kanina. And then yung headphone there. And then ayun, yan to yung pin na pangtanggal nung, mostly pangtanggal nung SIM at saka cards. Then may manual siya, quick start guard, and the warranty. And then ito, may free screen protector. Hindi to siya tempered glass or screen protector only. Yan. And the jelly case. Ayan. So, una, lagay muna natin to. Later natin yung tanggalan, sayang. Yan. Yan yung sa jelly case niya. And then, ito, later na lang. Kasi, magti-take ng time. Then, on. Ito yung power button. There. So, tanggalin natin ito slowly. Charan! The Huawei Nova 3i. So, lagyan natin dito para makita nyo yung specs. Yun guys. Hintayin na lang natin para mag-load yan. EMUI. Okay. And then there. So, welcome. So, let's get started. English lang siguro. Huwag lang yung United Kingdom there. English, Australia, Philippines. Bakit may iba-iba palang English? So yan, English tapos Philippines. Kasi nasa Philippines tayo eh. Let's get it started. Then wala nang read, next na lang. Yung sulat tayong SIM skip. Okay, dyan wifi. Yan yung mga wifi namin, game tipster, yung gyro hotspot. Yan siya, hindi ko lang alam. So ito sa game tipster muna. I-connect na muna natin para later diretso na. Sige. Then next, checking for updates. Just for a second. Checking info. Sign in, never. Skip lang yan kasi iniram lang natin ito. Skip. There, more blah blah blah. Ang dami naman. I agree lang. Yun. Then if you want to have an Huawei ID, just register in here, so let's just skip it. Skip. Dami naman. Skip. 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 No thanks. Dami, no? Hirap pala magkaroon ng bagong cellphone kasi ang daming i-click. Tapos uncheck natin yan later. Oops, marami pala dito. Hindi ko man yan alam yan. Ano yung mga games niya? Later. Ano bro? Tigas ng ulo. There. Ba't parang hindi siya masyado nagtatouch? Just finish. Okay. There. So yan guys, yan yung desktop niya or parang screen. And then yung the way you touch it, smooth, syempre medyo mamahalin. And then all drop, wala kasing pa-up yan. So when you check the notification there, naka-notch na siya guys. Yan, as you can see, yan yung pinaka maximum yan na light. And then yung pinaka mababa, halos hindi na makita. So let's just try it like that. Then naka-auto-rotate siya. Okay, never mind. Then yan. And then let's try to check the video. Okay. Never mind. My GPS tag. Deny mo na later. Yan guys. Napakalinaw. Ay, yung photo. Napakalinaw ng photo guys. Then let's try to video. Then napakalinaw din guys. Yan. As you can see. And then yung sa likod. How about yung sa front? There, nakita niya na yung cellphone ko at saka yung ako. Hello. Yan, tripod yan guys. Nilagay ko lang sa si Captain America. Anyway, yan pala yung ginagamit ko pang video. Okay, maybe later bibili ako ulit nito. Ay, bibili pala tayo. There, and then guys, let's try to zoom in. Yan, may digital na siya. Actually digital lang yung zooming in niya. Bakit digital? Kasi yan, nakikita nyo kasi na yan. Actually sige, try ko na lang video 10. yan yung nakuha niya. Yan, try natin yung bagong piso. Lagyan natin yung bagong piso dyan. There. And then nagre-record na yan siya guys. Yan guys. Yan yung maximum 6 times na zoom in then zoom out there. And it's around 6 inches or 7. Then ano pa ba? Yung sa picture, stop na natin guys kasi it will take time. Stop. Then sa photo, there. Yan. Settings niya. There, naka 16. Tayo. Ano ba? Okay, you may enable and disable the AI. Then yan yung shot. Lagyan natin ng flash. 1. Ipa-flash natin guys So that's it. And then kung walang flash, yan. And then yung zooming in, zoom is not supported by disable muna natin guys. Kung mag-zoom ka, naka-AI, hindi siya AI is enabled, so it's not supported down there. So let's disable there and there. Then sa always on, yan yung output niya guys, nasa gilid. Okay, so sa ngayon guys, I can feel a heat in here. Medyo mainit kasi syempre naka LED yan. Off natin. There. And then ano pa ba? Syempre bibisitahin natin si Bio first. Saan yung video? Yan guys, bibisitahin natin si Bio first now. Just type Bio first guys, and then spelling first. Yeah. Just type View first and then just click the search button and then not now. Ang dami naman ito. Ang bakang yan. And kung sino yung nakita nyo na yan View first. Click nyo guys. And then there. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, just put thumbs up below or click the thumbs up button below, okay? And then yan, scan nyo yung mga video natin. Ilang videos na ba tayo there. So anyway, that's all for the viewers. And then sa mga bagong viewers dyan, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. We have a lot of unboxing and other ewan ko ba kung cool. So if you just comment below guys kung ano yung gusto nyo ipapa-review ba or ano ba, anong gagawin natin kasi nauubusan na ako ng content, okay? And then yan, anyway, syempre nakita nyo naman yung mga specs nito. Ito yung touchscreen nya, ay finger scanner. Yan, gawin natin to si Bluetooth na libre. Ito nagpo-cost daw ng almost 2,000. Ay, anyway guys, yung sa sounds niya, wag lang yung Cesar Montano ko ha, kasi makikita nyo yung hindi nyo dapat nakikita sa sound niya guys. Let's try. Yan yung low. And then sa Shopee, Lazada pala yan. Just skip that ad. Yan guys. Yan yung maximum guys. Nandito yung speaker niya. There. And then kung papahinaan natin, yan yung mid. And syempre yung wala na, 0. And then syempre may libre tayong Bluetooth speaker. Ang content ng Bluetooth speaker guys, ito. And then yung Huawei sound Stone portable. Parang mas maganda pa tong box na kaysa sa dito. Anyway, dyan lang yan. And then the speaker, sabi nila waterproof daw ito, pero in the sense na hindi to pwede ilalagay sa ilalim ng tubig. Waterproof lang sa splashes, ganyan. Then yan, may on button dito. Wala siyang button pero soft lang ito siya, parang may switch siya sa loob na parang ganun lang. I-on natin yan, o. Yan, o, bumaon siya.
Power on.
Yan, power on. Yeah. And then syempre try natin Bluetooth. Yan, click natin yung Bluetooth ng cellphone natin. Hanapin natin CM51. Okay, CM51 there. So naka-power on siya. Power on. There, naka-on na yan. Then wala. Hindi mo ba alam?
Pairing.
Peering daw, peering. Search natin. Tagal. Yan, si Huawei CM51. Just peering. Yan, peering na.
Connected.
Yan, connected na yan guys. as of now, kung ilan yung ba't ringtone na yan. Ayan.
The wheels.
Yan. Kung ilan yung nandito, yan yun. Palakasan natin dito. Yan yung
USB.
volume
adapter.
nito. Gamit yung
Then, adjustment.
volume increase dito. Pero meron pa ito siyang pang-increase.
Then,
Ito yung plus
ito
button.
yung sa wrist.
Yan.
Yan, arm. Then, another arm. Okay. And then, yung
Tingnan natin.
pang-upuan niya.
Yan. May ririnig ba kayo? Wala, no? Siyempre. There. Yan, guys. Yan yung Bluetooth speaker niya. And then maganda siya pag ganyan. Pag iganyan mo, medyo hindi siya masyado
gamingph.com.
kasi naka-stick siya dito, parang may rubber. Ito rubber kasi ito, guys. So, yan guys for the Nova 3i and the Bluetooth Soundstone ng Huawei. Hopefully guys, nakita nyo yung dapat nyo makita. And then, kung may mga tanong kayo guys, just comment it below. And then, don't forget to subscribe to view first. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye-bye. Yan. Yan yung nakuha niya. Then, try natin yung bagong piso. Ayan. Lagyan natin yung bagong piso dyan. There. And then, nagre-record na siya guys. Yan guys. Yan yung maximum 6 times na zoom in then zoom out there. And then it's around 6 inches or 7. Then, ano pa ba? Yung sa picture, stop na natin guys kasi it will take time.